Help her get hotel work. But I told her to come and meet me at the hotel I'm launching, which was at Frederick's.
ẹ máa bá wa wo ìkànnì Profession Entertainment PSC TV ìgbádùn yín ló jẹ wá lógún.
Please, what's your name? Huh? Successful.
Try to speak loud.
Where are you from? Where in English are you from? Where do you live? Where in Ringo do you live? Which number in Akbawa? So what happened? What brought you to the hotel?
He told me that he's a manager in the hotel.
Yeah.
He was in the hotel. I was looking for a job.
Yeah.
So I saw him. He said that I'm not looking for a job because he saw I will look man.
Yeah.
I told him yes. There are some meeting to inside should come on the 26th. That is today.
Yeah.
For interview.
Yeah.
So I came. He took me inside. He said this is where he stay for interview his worker.
Yeah.
So this is the place to stay. This is inside the university. I said it's okay. He said I told him to tell me about
Good job.
the job. How much? He said 25.
Yeah.
I said I'm still in England, but it's far from my place, so
Yeah.
he said that's not the problem. I told him that my friend is living around this place. I will stay in my friend's side, so I can be able to come. You see, if I'm close to him, he will be helping me with transport. I said I don't want this transport. I will be staying in my friend's side. And then I asked him, he said that you need to know about you too. He said he will take me around.
Your turn.
I said, so I can see the place. He said, okay. Then he stood up, locked the door. I said, sir, I've not eaten, I have to go. He started touching my body. Push me. He pushed me at the bed. I said, stop. This is not what I came here for. Sir, please. He held my neck because I was shouting. And nobody could hear me. I was shouting for help. Someone came to know what's wrong with me. He lied that I was smoked and drunk. I was shouting help. It's not smoke. The girl did not hear. He covered my nose. My nose. Yeah. The girl came and go back. And go back. He was angry that someone has no. He took me inside the bedroom that I should put my shirt, I should naked. He then saw a color, this color cloth. He said, why I wear this color cloth? Why will I wear this color cloth? That he want to sleep with me as he saw this color cloth. Can't sleep with me. But I should follow his instruction. If the thing wants to tell me, I said, sir, please, I don't want to do anything. Please, sir. He said no. He said if he called the police will not believe because he has money. My family do not have money. I was trying to record his voice. He took my phone and put it inside bucket. Then he put his shirt. He said I should put his shirt so I can wash my body and wash my body. I said I don't want to wash my body, sir. I want to go home. When I threw the bottle when we were inside the hotel, when he was trying to throw me to death. The bottle of malt atop the fridge. I used it to steal his head so that I can run. I don't know that he locked the door. He put the key inside his pocket. I can't escape. That's why I can't escape. That's why he take me inside the bedroom so people will not hear my voice on the tap. He told them that I was baiting. When they come again, tell them that I was baiting, that I'm fine. I was drunk. No, I was not better at all. I was just crying. Then I saw someone step, shook the boy. Then I shook my hand. I was breaking. I'm not fine. You should help me. Then the boy said, don't worry, I'm going to call the police. I throw my bag and my wig out the window. He said the police is coming. He knows the police is coming. Then he was strangling me that I'm too stubborn. What type of guy? He said he have done this for 12 years. There's no hero. Who am I? He was strangling me. He hit me at the wall. As he died, he hit my head. He was blowing his head to die. He was blowing me at this place that we weak woman. He said now I should just collapse. I said please sir, I was begging him. Then someone came to knock. He said that it was police. He started begging me. He have wife and children. I said, sir, why did you do this to me? He said I should not talk. I should tell them that I'm fine. Nothing's wrong with me. But I'm not fine. I can't tell them I'm fine.
Right now, are you fine?
I'm not fine.
Is your parents aware that you are coming to meet him? Nobody's aware.
Just my sister and my friend. My friend, no. I've called my friend. The friend that he saw both of us was looking for a job. Yeah. She know.
Where did you meet both of you?
Kapina Road, that's that. Okay.
How long have you guys been talking?
Just Thursday 24. He said I should come on the 26th and today for interview. He sent me a message.
Okay. Did he tell you the name of the hotel he's coming?
Yes.
What's the name of the hotel? What's the name of the hotel? Frederica.
Hotel.
At where?
At Kapina side.
Okay. Thank you. Did he send you text message?
Yes.
Where is text message?
This text message. I invited to meet at Frederica Hotel on the 26th November.
Okay.
Come he said I should come very dark. He called me, said telling me that I should
give me prescription of the shirt you're going to wear.
Yes.
Thank you very much. So, how old are you?
19 years.
19 years. You are from Morado? Ishan. Where in Ishan are you from? So, just tell me, where in Ishan are you from?
I forgot.
Okay. We are in Ishan.
Yes.
And you live at Morado at Bava. Where in Bava? Ring Road. You have to tell me your address now, so I can get to your address and tell your family that this is the scenario that number 5 here.
At industry.
Okay. Thank you very much. So what name do you guys have? Oga. Which account do you use to reside on DJ? Which name? Oga, you said Kappa, right? So what is the name you use to register your JJ account online? Joseph who?
Yes, Joseph.
Just Joseph. No additional number to it. You are selling a legit business. So what name do you use to register your JJ?
My name is Joseph.
Just Joseph. No number.
It's one of my
You don't know the name you used to register your JJ?
Joseph Owen, something like that.
So where are you married?
Oh, yes, sir.
How many kids?
2 kids.
You live with your wife?
Yes.
The house you live is for you or for your family? Or is it a rental apartment?
Currently, I stay alone because my wife is abroad.
Okay. Where does she live in?
She lives in London.
With the kids?
Yes.
Okay. What happened today that you came to a business unit office?
There was an incident at Frederica Hotel.
Okay.
I lodged at the hotel. But prior to that, I met this girl, Success, a few days ago.
Okay.
She said she was looking for work. Okay, we started speaking. I told her I like her and all that. She said she's looking for work. I said I can help her. I know somebody who can help her find work at the hotel work.
Hold on. I'm going to tell you. Kylie,
Let me start talking.
Okay, Karen.
I should continue.
Yeah.
Yeah, I told her I can help her get hotel work. But I told her to come and meet me at the hotel I'm launching, which was at Frederica.
Carry on.
Okay. As she came,
Talk to me.
I ordered some drinks. She came to my room, I ordered some drinks, we started talking. I told her that we'll wait first before. I told her we'll.
ẹ máa bá wa wo ìkànnì Profession Entertainment PSC TV ìgbádùn yín ló jẹ wá lógún.